Richard Radke here with a multiple income funnel review for 2025. So be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Okay, let me show you about the program itself. First of all, you go in here and you start here. When you go to the links, it shows you all the links. Each link is attached to a capture page, so there's lots of capture pages here, and you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one because it depending where I'm sending it to. Then you go back into the system again, and there's just some more samples of stuff there. But okay, we'll go to start here. And we're going and shows you all the training you get if you join this program. First of all, you get your weekly training calls. Then you get your marketing. This is to help you market. I mean, look at all the things in here that can help you market. So it'd be worthwhile watching those videos. Then you go back into the system again, some more training. Then you have your 7-step training. With lesson 1, it says work on you, which basically means work on your personality. Then you got lesson 2, which shows you how and where to get traffic. Then you got lesson 3, which shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. Lesson 6, it shows you how to allot some time to do this. And then there's some more bonuses in there. Then if you go back into the system again, and you get to shows you all your teams you got there, and here it shows you all your leads that you get once you start advertising, and you get an email with each one, so you can follow up with them, and I do, and be sure you follow up with them. The company follows up, but they want to hear from you, and very few people join on the first time they see something, so you have to do follow up with them. Then you got your leaderboard, shows you who's all on the leaderboard. Then you got resources, which shows you basically a sample of follow-up emails. You can use them or you can use your own, but be sure to do some kind of a follow-up. Then you go back into the system again, and if you click on there, it shows you all your businesses. And then you got a bonus income, which I'll get back to later if I don't forget. Okay, so now let's say that you want to find out more about this. Okay, you go to start here, and in lesson 1, it shows you, Matt does a 21-minute video, explains the whole system and how you can get started and all that. Then you got step 2 and step 3 are places where you can put your own income streams in, and if you don't have any, you can use the ones I got. They're both under $10 each, and they're both very good income streams. Then you got stream 4, which is Academy leads, and they've been in business for over 25 years, and they also do training, and they have very good leads. So it depends how many leads you get. The more leads you get, the cheaper it is per lead. Okay, now let's say you kind of like all that. So you want to get started. Okay, go to step 1. Right now they have a special on for, it's usually $97. Right now they have a special on for $49. And I don't know what you got for your income streams, but if you use the ones I got, they're both under $10 each, and they're very good opportunities. Step 4 Academy is free to join, and then it depends how many leads you get. So that's entirely up to you. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you? Oh yeah, I was going to tell you this one here. If you join that one for the $97, if you get somebody for $49, you get somebody in, you make a $20 commission on that one. And if they also have a yearly plan, which is available, which costs you $350, but if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. And then I told you about step 2 and step 3 and step 4. Now I want to tell you about my bonus income, which I also use. It's another way to get leads. For $1 a day, I get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And with the system, that's included in the system, you can email them every day, which I do. And if you get somebody in on that, you can make a commission on that too. Plus, you get an extra 100 leads. So basically, if you can get 200 leads a day, which is 6,000 a month, and still only pay $1 a day. So that is a fantastic deal. Now let's see. I think that's about all I wanted to tell you today. I keep saying this. We have a great year here. We have no snow yet. I don't know what it's like where you are, but I hope you're still having good weather. And please give my video a like and also join my subscribe to my channel is what I wanted to say. Sorry about that. Okay, that's all I'm going to say today. So I hope you're all having a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.